Hello everyone, welcome back to another devlog, and this marks devlog 5, okay? And we have been consistent basically with all the uploads. And I've actually added a few systems. As you can see on the screen, we have a main menu actually functioning. And I'll tell you how it explains in a bit. So, we also have a name tag, a pickup system that actually tells you what type of object you picked up. And I'm going to try and optimize that more. And then we also have name tags and then camera bobbing, which kind of shakes your camera when you walk, which is very nice actually. And as you can see in this clip, I'm making the UI. It's really not that fancy, nothing else. But how the actual thing works, it uses tween service. It uses some basically some default functions or stuff like that. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is tweening the camera. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and explain as best as possible how it works for you guys. So what it does is it creates certain tweens with a variable that changes the color of the text, okay? I'm not really sure how to explain it that well, but when you hover over it, it changes the text, right? Because of a function. And then it also does the exact same thing when you hover off of the text. And yeah, that's basically how it all works. And then for the functions, or how the button functions, is when you click on it, it'll play a sound and it'll do whatever function it's supposed to do. I hope that explains it decently. I don't have much time here as this devlog is only like 4 minutes long. But yeah, as you can see, we're creating some tweens, and now probably professional scripters are gonna start hating on me. But yeah, not the best at scripting, but I am decent, okay? And I'd say this is pretty good for an actual good, decent main menu. But yeah. And we also tween the size when you hover over it and you basically hover out of it or whatever. There's two main functions that we use here, is mouse enter and mouse leave. So basically, mouse enter means hovering over the button, and then leaving is when you hover off the button basically, or when you like put your mouse away from the button. And then here is the scripts on the name tags, right? This should be, yeah, this is the pickup system. This is an old clip of script. What it does, it's just just pretty simple. Is when you pick it up, it transfers it to the player's backpack. And here we have the name tag. Okay, it gets the player's name, and it gets the name or the player, right? And it waits for the humanoid, and it changes the display distance type to none, so you can't see your normal name. And right, so it clones the name tag and it parents the name tag to the player's head, and then it changes the text of the name tag to the player's name. And this is just camera bobbing. I don't really know how to explain this. All I know is that it uses lerp or some stuff like that, and it uses run service. I really don't know how this works, but yeah, that is actually almost it for this devlog, right? If you guys enjoy stuff like this, please leave some suggestions down below, and I'll take them into consideration, and I'll actually might even add them. But yeah, and I also have one thing to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right? And turn on post notifications so you always get notified when I upload a video. And yeah, I'm gonna start uploading on my second channel, like gameplay videos, like Roblox and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go and put up the last devlog here if you wanna go and watch it. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.